Give thanks to God, forever in Him trust, for His kindness and everlasting love. Give thanks to God, forever in Him trust, for His kindness and everlasting love. We who sail the sea in ships and trade with other lands know the thunder of God's anger, seen the lightning of His hands. When the sky grew dark and air grew chill, with a storm front drawing near, we who knew God's power on water then knew fear. Give thanks to God, forever in Him trust, for His kindness and everlasting love. The waves crashed over the forecastle as the gales began to shriek, as the swell would drive us to the sky, then drop us 40 feet. Not a one could man the railings, not a one could stay the helm. Our hearts melted then as terror overwhelmed. Give thanks to God, forever in Him trust, for His kindness and everlasting love. We cried to God in our distress, Lord, save us from this storm. And He heard our prayer and answered with the power of His arm. From raging blast to seas of glass, from gale winds to a breeze, as our God saved us from certain death at sea. Give thanks to God, forever in Him trust, for His kindness and everlasting love. Now we all rejoice for the love that God has shown, and extol Him here before you, for He brought us safely home. Bless the Lord for His great kindness and His wondrous deeds for us, and thank God for His everlasting love. Give thanks to God, forever in Him trust, for